Alright guys, Toddy here. Been a while since I've done a wee video, and I've decided to do a wee quick video because I'm going to be using the XP icon at my digging Sunday. We're in the middle of the off season and we've got 70 acres of pasture to search this Sunday. This is Wednesday, so got a few days yet. Hopefully get a bit of rain, soften the ground up. So I'm looking forward to get out. We have been on this land before, but cabin fever's setting in. I've been busy with other stuff, so it's really I'm looking forward to getting out. This video's predominantly for the people on my group. I've got 5,000 members on my group, and it's mostly for those guys. As I say, I'm not in for looking for thousands of hits and all that. I like making good content in the videos. So it's not really an unboxing video, because I'm not really into them, to be honest, showing you just unboxing a video. There's plenty of guys done that. So while we're here anyway, we'll look it up. So as you see, it's compatible here with the XP pinpointers, which is a great feature. It means that when it's windy and you're trying to pinpoint something, you can hear it in your headphones. It's also compatible with the stereo headphones, the new stereo headphones that's out, so it's compatible with them if you wanted to buy them. It's also compatible with some of the XP Days 2 coils, the 13-inch coil, which I've got, so it means I can stick that on as long as I've got the charger for it. So that's perfect for me. It's also compatible with the 9 and 11 as well, so that's good. You can do online updates with it, which is excellent. It means you're always getting the latest stuff. Good lithium battery. It's very light as well, 750 grams. How light is that? That's unbelievable. And that really helps. See if you're swinging all day or you get any shoulder problems, that is an absolute must. Because see if you've got a heavy machine and you're swinging it all day through stubble and things like that, it really starts to hurt you after a while. So the lighter the better. It lasts a long time. Sure, I've got in here battery use. So we're going to go through these wee features. Battery life is 11 hours in the coil and the remote, and it takes 3 hours to charge it. So how good is that? It's waterproof to 5 meters. Me as a diver, I've got bone conducting headphones and I will certainly be using it to 5 meters. It also means it's good in the beach. You can submerge it when you're detecting in the water. It's got 3 programs. It's got beach. As you can see, it explains it a wee bit better here. I'm rambling on a wee bit here, but it's got it here. It's got field, park, and what do you call it, beach. So it's standard, but you're seeing in quite a lot of machines now. That was for the old whites machines. That's what you got in there. You could select different programs, so there you go. It's perfect for that. You've also got the wee QR code to download the Go Terrain app, which means you can track where you've been. I haven't got that yet. I've not bothered with it, which I will. I'm going to go for it. Warranty, 5 years. It'll probably be, you can extend it to 10 years if you want, which is absolutely brilliant. I actually like the box, nice brown box, very easy Aussie. Very nice, doesn't need to be fancy, but it looks good. Headphones, there you go, it's your WSA stereo, excellent wee headphones, nice and light, as you can wear a tammy over the top of them. That's how I really like them. All your wee doodads, all your wee fittings there for your waterproofing. If you need to go on the beach and submerge the coil, you need to put the wire up so that it runs up to the top. They've even put a wee control box cover in it. How nice is that? So you can actually wear that, which I will be doing. I'll be sticking that on my wrist so that you can just put the wee control box in there, like so. And let's see, get everything on here. So that's good Velcro, solid. Right, let's see. That'll stick in there. That's perfect. I'll be using that. And that's really good. Seal it if you're beach detecting and you're in the water. But it's good Velcro anyway. So again there like so. This is it. Very nice, very fancy to be honest. Wasn't expecting that. So you go. For the price, how can you beat it? Look at that. How cool is that? Look at that. Your wee XP control box right on your wrist. Brilliant. I would obviously wear it on my left if I didn't have my watch on, that way when I'm detecting on the beach. I can see there, it can be out the water, you're not trying to look in the water to see it, which is brilliant because you can bring it up with target if I go deet, 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 deet. Perfect. Very, very good. That's a wee bonus I wasn't expecting. I see all your charging bits are in there. Another good thing I like, carbon shafts. It's about time XP done this. Carbon up here. They had the one in the day, so it's painted, it always gets scraped. Even after a couple of uses it's all scraped, and that is super light. Alright, again that'll just pop right in there, like so, and you can connect your coil, right? Perfect. Coil. Similar to the D2 coil. Sorry guys, clumsy calling again. Very lightweight again, excellent. Comes with a coil cover on it. Coil cover's already on it. New charging system here. Very cool. Can't wait to get out and use it. Right, what I'm on for is features. Right, so let us go through features. You see, when I used to look at machines years ago, after a while you started seeing the same features appearing in all the machines, and then they would promise you all sorts in adverts, and then when you read the manual it says it would work in this conditions, it's got to be perfect conditions for this to work, so it kind of put me off. I always looked for the get out clause in manuals, because it was promise you stuff in advert, and a lot of the times it didn't deliver, right? So just finishing that coffee. Right, it's got multi-frequency with automatic and manual frequency shift. Multi-frequency is a must. Now it's becoming standard in a lot of the machines. You can even find it doing into machines at £300 and all that. That's unbelievable. Years ago we paid over £1,000 for multi-frequency. So it's great that it's getting introduced, and what that means is it's excellent on the beach. It means it can handle the salt water good. It can handle the black sand as well, and the XP is excellent on the beach. I used it in one of my earlier videos. You see me using it when the Deuce 2 came out. I used it in the water and it was excellent. So I plan on using this under the water. That's a definite for me. So automatic and manual frequency shift, that just means if you're near power lines or you're near other machines, you can just press the button like the DS2 and it'll automatically do a frequency scan and select the best operating frequency with less noise, so that you're getting less interference. Right, so that's what that means, that you can manually change it. You can just go and just flick it up or doing a few notches. Waterproof to 5 metres, which we've mentioned, with bone conducting headphones. So you need separate headphones to screw in so that it's waterproof, and I'll definitely be using that. Wireless compatibility with the Deuce 2 full multi-frequency ecosystem, coils, headphones, pinpointers and Go Terrain app. We mentioned that. Pitches, this is what's important to me. Pitch, I really like pitch. I always have done since the wee White's MXT I used many years ago. Even I would say White's MXT was what changed me, and that was years ago, and it was a pitch tone, so you get a grunt for iron and a kind of a VCO pitch which rises and falls for anything good. So that's what I'm really, if I'm looking for hammered, that's what I'm looking for, because I'm only looking for the slightest bit of high tone and I'm digging it. So pitch is excellent. You've got 2, 3, 5 tones and full tones. Another setup I like is full tones. If I'm on a noisy site where pitch is actually it can actually be mentally fatiguing. If there's a lot of targets, what I'll do is put it onto full tones, and I'll change it, which it's got here, I'll put it onto square tones, and it's a lovely sound, and I can hear every target. And what it means with full tones is it'll give you a different tone for every single number that you've accepted all the way up. So you get your right down to the minimum is like foil all the way up. So it's going to give you a tone for that, and even coke, you'll be able to tell coke just with the tone. It's amazing how quickly your ears and your brain starts noticing every change that you're hearing. So again, it's got PWM, square and morphing tones. So it's got a lot of tones, and that is cosmetic. It doesn't make the things deeper, but it does make them easier to use and targets to be easier to distinguish, which I like. Mono frequencies, which means single frequencies, is 4 and 14. Now 4 is a deep frequency, so that's good for big items like Bronze Age axes types things, big cartwheel pennies. If you were on a site and you were getting big stuff, and it was big stuff you're after, big silver coins, then 4's a good one. And it's also got 14, which is an excellent frequency. One of my favourite frequencies is 13, and that's really an excellent frequency for silver. So the Icon X has got an additional frequency. It's got 28 kilohertz, which is excellent for wee tiny cut halves and cut quarters and wee tiny gold rings. So that's ideal if you're after hammies. Sensitivity level goes up to 25. In Scotland, we generally can't run it away up there anyway. It need to be a site with no minerals. We're usually halfway, 3/4 of the way if we're lucky. And don't try and set it too high. It's already a sensitive machine, these XP machines, so don't have it that it's sparking too much. Just have it so that it's enjoyable to use. Ground balance, you've got ground grab, which is just press and pump, and it'll do it for you. You've got manual, which you can manually set the ground balance, or you've got tracking, which will do it for you, right? So manual settings, you can manually set it to negative. So if it ground balanced at 50 and you wanted to set it to 45, 47, round about that, what you can do is you can eke a wee bit more depth out it, setting it minus, but what you'll also get is more interference for hot rocks in the ground, big stones, so the discrimination isn't as good. If you set it slightly positive, you'll get better discrimination, but slightly less sensitivity to deep targets. So that's a wee option. Auto tracking, you can use auto tracking, it'll do it for you, but you would only do that if there wasn't a lot of iron, which is most fields you could get away with using auto tracking and general detecting. But if it's at a place it's littered with iron, you don't want to do that, because the tracking tracks into the iron as if it's ground, and it's constantly hunting for the proper ground tracking. So what you would do is find a clean bit of ground grab it, and then leave it, turn auto tracking off, and then the machine will stick to that tracking. It'll stick to that ground balance level, and it won't change it. Alright, so reactivity is like your recovery speed. Icon is up to 5, Icon X is up to 6. So I like to run my recovery slow for just general detecting, because the slower the recovery, the bigger the targets sound. So if I'm looking for me hammered and I run it at 1, it's going to sound as big as it can be. The more you put the recovery speed up, the smaller the sound of the hammered coin, which I don't want. I want it to sound big. So I'll play a bit with that and see how it is. Display, you've got sunlight, readable LCD with adjustment for low consumption backlight. Again, if you're running out of battery, you can maybe switch that on to save your battery. Usual, that control box will clip in, just like the days. Let me see. You can also use multi-notch. It's a thing I don't use, is notching. Never have used it, but it's there if you need to use it. Weight wise, the Icon's 735 grams, the Icon X is 710 grams. Power on, choose the program, so it's easy to use. I'm just trying to see if there's any other wee features here. No, it's just telling you about the warranty again. So as you see, you've got a very good detector here for the price. Loads and loads of features. I'm really excited about using this machine. I'm going to give it a season using it. I gave the Deuce 2 seasons there. I gave the Manticore nearly 2 seasons. So I'm going to give this winter, right over the winter with this, using it on beaches, in the water, under the water, and we'll see how we got on with it. But I'm really excited about using it and looking forward to it. Remember, I'm a dealer, but I'm also a detectorist. I've been a detectorist for 30 odd years. I dig every week, mostly throughout the winter, and I've been an absolute detecting addict all my life. I do sell metal detectors, as I say, only because I'm absolutely passionate about metal detecting. So if you're looking for an Icon, give me a shout. I've got a few left, and if you're needing any help with it, give me a wee shout. Alright? Thank you.